The Ben Lock & Safe key cabinets are made from high quality materials and come with 6 types of locking options and can hold anything between 30 to 500 individual keys. Any standard cabinet would normally come equipped with colour-coded adjustable hook bars, key tags, rings and numbers to suit the hook bars. Also removable control index cards and a cam lock and 2 keys. Designed in a square-bodied construction, a crisscross door for extra strength and a durable powder-coated finish. Our key cabinets are used by many businesses, from landlords, hotels, estate agents to car dealers that require a bespoke key control solution and security. A bespoke locking mechanism means that you can have either a Euro cylinder lock, mechanical digital lock, electronic cam lock, electronic locking, padlockable cam lock, or a mechanical digital with a key override. If you don't see the appropriate size suited for your business within the 30 to 500 cabinet options, then please contact one of our security experts on 01733 552728 that will support you and offer you a bespoke key security system suited for your needs.